Hi friends, today I am going to prepare the crunchy snack which is loved by many, that is Chakkuli. To prepare Chakkuli, I am using 2 cups of rice flour, 1 cup of gram dal, half cup of urad. First I am roasting the gram dal until it turns aromatic and color changes. Then in the similar way roasting the urad. The color has changed and has turned aromatic. Let's leave this to cool. And then prepare the powder separately from gram dal and urad. To prepare the batter, I am mixing the rice flour, powdered gram dal, powdered urad, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon jeera, quarter teaspoon of soda powder, this is optional, and 1 teaspoon of oil. To this I am adding the water as needed and needing to prepare a soft dough. We need to knead this really well so that we can prepare chakkuli which holds shape. This takes around 10 minutes of kneading. The dough is ready. Let's cover and leave it to rest for 15 minutes. 15 minutes have passed. Let's knead the dough again for around 30 seconds. Using oil, I am greasing the chakli maker and stuffing it with the dough. Let's press the dough onto the plate in the circular fashion, that is in the shape of chakkuli. If we knead the dough well, then it will be sticky enough and will hold the shape without breaking. I have kept the oil to heat for frying. The oil is ready. Let's drop the pressed chakkuli. Do not overcrowd. Once it is a little fried, I am flipping it over. The bubbles in chakkuli has reduced and has started turning golden. Let's remove this from oil. The tasty kurkur snack chakkuli is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.